How to change language in Dream League Soccer 2026. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to change the language setting in the Dream League Soccer 2026 game using your Android device. So first of all, open the Dream League Soccer 2026 on your device and wait until you reach the main home screen. From the home screen, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top left corner of the screen, and it'll open up this page where you need to go ahead and select the language by tapping the arrow button right next to language. Once you tap on the arrow button, it'll change to a different language of your preference. Keep pressing the button until you find the language of your choice. You'll be able to see multiple of languages available. Find the one that you want to change to, and there you have it. So that's how you can easily switch language options instantly on Dream League Soccer 2026 game. Now the game should feel much easier to understand and play. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.